Alright, guys, this is Risco. I'm about to let her see Two Girls, One Cup since she's never seen it. Here's her reaction. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Oh my god. Oh. What the fuck? Oh. Oh, who does that? Oh. Oh. Oh, hell no. What the fuck? Who does that shit? Who does that shit? Oh my god, they are so nasty. What the?
I can't breathe! I can't breathe! I can't breathe! I can't breathe! I had my eyes closed the whole time. That was hilarious. That was hilarious. Comment. Please comment.